Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to shut down any Windows PC automatically without using any software. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. First, right-click on the desktop and click on New. Click on Shortcut. Type the following commands. Now, you will need to enter the time that you want your PC to shut down. But you will need to enter the time in seconds. For example, if you want your PC to shut down in 1 minute, you will type 60, but if you want your PC to shut down at another time, then you need to multiply the number of minutes by 60. I will like my PC to shut down in 1 minute, so I will type 60. After adding the time you want your PC to shut down, click on Next. Type the name you want to give to the shortcut and click on Finish. Let's change the icon for the shortcut. Right-click on the created shortcut and click on Properties. Make sure you are on the Shortcut tab and click on Change Icon. Click on OK if you get this prompt. Select your preferred icon and click on OK. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now, you can double-click on this shortcut and your PC will shut down automatically when the time is up. So, if I double-click on my shortcut, you can see I have received this warning saying my PC will shut down in 1 minute because the time I set is 60 seconds. So, that is how you shut down any Windows PC automatically without using any software. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.